What's happening, guys? Welcome to RGH Tech TV. This is Motorola One Power, and today in this video let's see 30 plus best features and some very important tips and tricks. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That will surely motivate us to make more such videos. And also, guys, complete list of specification and buying links are given in the description box below. Kindly check them out as well. Alright, guys, now the first feature which I liked and which is exclusive to Motorola One Power is Smart SIM selection. So for that you'll have to go to settings, network and internet, SIM cards, and here you can see something called as dual SIM usage profile. So click on this, guys. You have three profiles: Smart SIM, personal and work, and manual. So Smart SIM is one wherein based on your call history, it knows which person to contact with which SIM card. For example, if you have 5 contacts, contact A, contact B, C, D and E, and if there are 2 SIM cards, Airtel and Jio, for example, then, and very frequently if you contact A, D and E using Airtel, next time if you try calling contact A, then it knows that it should contact using Airtel, because based on the call history, you have already contacted it using Airtel SIM card. So in this way, guys, it knows, it's smart enough to understand which person to contact using which SIM card. And similarly, we have personal and work. You can demarcate that one, and manually also you can select the list of contacts to be contacted using SIM1 and list of contacts to be contacted using SIM2. So definitely, guys, this makes the calling process much more easier, pretty convenient. It eliminates one step wherein you'll have to select the SIM card in the dialer. So definitely, guys, try this out. Now, another best feature about Motorola One Power is its battery capacity, which again translates into very good battery life. So it comes with 5000 mAh battery, guys, and I did get 8+ hours of screen on time, almost 9 hours. So definitely, if your usage is moderate, it should last somewhere around 2 days or so. Plus, another good thing is it comes with fast charger being included in the box. They like to call it as turbo charger. Here's a quick stats, guys, on how fast it charges, and definitely I'm actually liking the battery life on Motorola One Power. Next, guys, there are a lot of gestures being provided for Motorola One Power. As you can notice, it has that 6.2-inch form factor. Definitely not comfortable for single-handed usage. So you can swipe anywhere to get to notification tray, swipe again to get to quick toggles. So this actually works on all the home screens, as you can notice. Earlier this feature was present on Redmi Note 5 Pro, and it's good to see that they have also implemented it. Now you don't actually have to reach to the top to get to notification tray. So this again is a pretty convenient feature according to me. Next, guys, there are again 2 more exclusive gestures for Motorola One Power. So one is double karate chop to turn the flashlight on. So definitely this is helpful. And you also can twist your wrist to access the camera, the rear facing camera. You can again twist it to access the front facing camera. Again, this is pretty useful, and you can again switch between front and rear facing camera using this gesture. So you can actually enable this one under Moto application. So you'll have to go to Moto application, Moto actions, and you can enable this double karate chop and twist for quick capture. So you also have Moto display, guys. This is again a pretty important feature. This phone does not have notification LED light, so you can pick up the phone to get to know about time, date and notifications. And the good thing is you can also reply to messages from the off screen itself. It's a fantastic feature, guys. So definitely use this Moto display as well. And apart from this, there is another shortcut for camera application to open the camera application. That is, you can press the power button twice, even be it from off screen or lock screen or any home screen, to directly jump to camera application, so that if you have any action scenes going around you, then you can definitely not miss those things. So definitely try this out as well, guys. And this also works from any home screen. Let me quickly show you. You can press the power button to access the camera. And while we are in the camera application itself, let me quickly tell you some of the features over here. So this phone does have auto HDR, guys. So definitely we all know the benefits of HDR pictures. So if you're shooting against light, then to capture the details, highlights, shadows, you'll have to enable this one. Good thing is it has auto mode as well. And apart from that, guys, there is a LED flash. Quickly, let me show you. It has dual tone LED flash, so using which you'll get accurate colors even in low light. So let me quickly turn this off. And apart from this, guys, it has portrait mode as well. For that, you'll have to go to this menu. But the problem with portrait mode is edge detection still needs improvement, guys. It's not 100% accurate, but the bokeh definitely looks crisp, but edge detection, according to me, should be improved slightly. And apart from that, it also has expert manual mode, wherein you can control, one second, you can actually control white balance, exposure, ISO, shutter speed, and also you have manual focus, guys. This again should be pretty helpful, I believe. So you have the slider being provided, so using which you can focus or defocus on objects. Next, guys, in the camera application itself, you have shortcut for Google Lens. So I'll quickly tell you what it does. There are actually two ways to access Google Lens. Let me explain. So first is you can directly access it from here itself. So if you can search for products, by just clicking pictures. I'll quickly show you how it actually works. So if you click the picture, then it will actually search for products online, and you can buy from here itself, right? And the other thing is you can click the picture, and this works like 80% of the time. It's not like 100% accurate. The other way is you can just click the picture, and you can actually go to gallery and then search. I'll quickly show you how it works. Now actually click the picture. If you go to gallery, you have an option over here. From here also you can search for this product. So as you can see, guys, it has detected it's a JBL product. So in this way you can definitely search for products, search for text, and places using this Google Lens. So definitely this is also a pretty useful feature. Definitely try this out. Next, guys, this phone has dedicated SD card slot. That is at any given time it has triple slots. That is at any given time you can install 2 SIM cards and 1 micro SD card. So definitely helpful. And apart from that, this phone also supports Type-C audio, guys. So it does have 3.5mm headphone jack, so there is no issue. But still, as it has Type-C port, so these Type-C headphones are also supported. These are LeEco headphones. You can get these under 1,000 rupees on Amazon. I'll leave the links in the description box below. You can definitely check these out, guys. And important thing now is Dolby audio. This phone supports Dolby audio. Let me explain that in a minute. Now, as far as I've noticed, guys, it does not make difference in terms of speaker output, but in terms of headphone output, definitely it does make a lot of difference. So there are a lot of modes here, like film, music, game, voice, and you can also have custom modes, but I feel film is better. You have good voice clarity, good bass levels, and it has good surround sound as well, guys. So you can also increase this bass or treble as you want. So definitely that is also again helpful. So you can try this out. It definitely makes difference in headphone output. And next, guys, this phone has Gorilla Glass 3 for protection, I believe. I'm not sure which version, but it has Gorilla Glass for protection. So if not shatterproof, definitely it should add some sort of scratch resistance at least. Next, guys, this phone has FM radio and it works perfectly fine. Let me quickly show you. Let me add this 3.5mm pin. So as you can notice, you can browse through stations, you can record the songs, and you can also play the song on the loudspeaker. You have that option. You can add favorite stations as well. So there are a lot of things. It works perfectly fine, guys. You can definitely check this out as well. And next, this phone comes with Bluetooth 5.0 out of the box. Next, the display is very good on Motorola One Power. As you can notice, it has very good viewing angles. Whites also look pure white on Motorola One Power, and it can get sufficiently bright outdoors and also sufficiently dim in indoors. The dimness is not as good as Redmi Note 5 Pro or Mi A2, but it can get sufficiently dim as well. Next, it has night light under display settings itself. That is, it adds warm tint to the display, which is again helpful if you have habit of reading in low light or ultra low light situation. I'll quickly show you. As you can notice, it adds that warm tint. So you can also adjust the intensity. Now, if you swipe from left to right, then you get Google Feed. For some reason, if you don't need this, then you can also disable it. I'll quickly show you how to do that. So press and hold, go to home screen settings, and here you have something called a swipe access. Click on that, and then you can click on nothing, and you can disable it from the home screen, as you can notice, guys. And apart from that, there are some other settings in the home screen itself, home screen customizations available under home screen settings. That is, you can enable or disable this notification dots. You can control how the notifications are shown. Next, you have you can change the home screen layout over here. So you can have a 4x5 or 5x5 grid as you feel convenient. Next, you can also enable the home screen rotation, but to enable this one, you'll have to enable this auto rotate option first, and then you can enable this home screen rotation. So what it does is you can view the home screen in landscape mode. So if you want, you can definitely use this feature as well. And if you go to quick toggles, guys, you can customize this quick toggles panel as well. For that, you have an icon over here. Click on this one, and you can add items onto this main canvas, main area. and using this you can so this will be shown in pages. I'll quickly show you how it works. So in this way you can actually add this these shortcuts. So let me quickly show you. As you can notice, so these will be added in pages. So definitely you can customize and add the required items on this quick toggles panel. Now guys, to take the screenshot, you can press the power button and the volume down button. So this is a general way of taking the screenshot. And if you want long screenshot, then this phone does not have one. For that, you'll have to use an application called as Longshot. I'll leave the links in the description box below, guys. You can check that out. So using this application, you can capture the vertical content. So once you open this application, make sure you hit the auto scroll option. You enable this auto scroll option. Click on this first icon and hit start now. And for example, if you have some vertical content to be captured in one single screenshot itself, then you'll have this start and cancel button. So hit start and it automatically captures the screenshot. So as you can notice, so you have all the content in one single screenshot itself. Hit save and it would be saved. So this is again a very useful application, guys. Definitely try this out. Now from this quick toggles panel itself, guys, you can notice settings icon over here. You can press and hold on this one. And by doing so, you will enable system UI tuner, which you can find under system. You can see that you have system UI tuner. So if you select this one, then you will have access to certain hidden features. So for example, you can show the time in hours, minutes and seconds. As you can notice, it actually changed. Or else if you want, you can also go with the default mode, that is hours and minutes. And you can also display these icons on the status bar, be it auto rotate or headset. So if you have connected headset, it would be shown over here. In this way you can enable or disable these icons as well, guys. So you'll get access to a lot of hidden settings over here. Now Motorola One Power comes with Snapdragon 636 processor and Adreno 509 GPU. It's a 14 nanometer processor with custom cryo cores. We have seen it on Redmi Note 5 Pro, Asus Max Pro M1 and Nokia 6.1 Plus. It's a pretty capable processor and can handle all the high-end games you throw at it very smoothly. Now supplementing that on the software side, this is an Android One phone. That is, the software is directly provided by Google. So you can expect faster updates, regular security patches and overall smoother experience. Next, guys, this phone has multi-window feature. So to access that, you'll have to open the applications in the multitasking tray. Then if you press and hold and if you drag it onto the top, then you can open each application in a different window. As you can notice, it works perfectly fine without any issues. And if you want to take full advantage of multitasking abilities of this phone, then you can install an application called as Floating Apps Free. So you'll have multiple windows available, guys. So each application can be opened in a different window. For example, you can open YouTube on one window and settings on another window and some other application in another window, and then you can have all those floating applications on the home screen itself. So definitely, if you want, you can try that application as well. I'll leave the links in the description box below, guys. Definitely try that out. Now last but not the least, this phone also has safe mode. Now to access that, you'll have to press and hold the power button and press and hold on power off icon. So if you want to troubleshoot if any applications are not working or if any settings are not working, you can enter this mode and then you can troubleshoot that thing. To get back to normal mode, you can just reboot and you'll get back to the normal mode. So that's it, guys. If you feel this video was informative, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, follow us on Twitter at RTHTechTV, subscribe to us on YouTube. Most importantly, thanks for watching. I'll see you real soon.